Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explore the factory method pattern in Java. This is one of the most important and widely used creational design patterns. It's simple yet powerful and can save you tons of time when trying to create objects in your application. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. The factory method pattern provides an interface for creating objects but allows subclasses to decide which class to instantiate. This promotes loose coupling and makes your code more flexible. Some of the scenarios where you want to use the factory method pattern is, for example, when you need to create objects without specifying their exact class, or when the creation process involves some logic that should not be repeated across the code base. And one of the other examples is when you want to make your code easier to maintain and extend. Now, let's look at the example. Imagine you're building a notification system that supports different types of notifications, email and SMS, for example. We'll use factory method pattern to handle this. First, we need to define a common interface for all of the notifications. This is what we see here on the screen. It's a public interface with one method called notify user. The notification interface will then be implemented for different notification types, and we have those here. So we have our email notification and we have our SMS notification. Each of these notification types defines its own way of notifying user. For us, it's just a different print. Next, we'll create the factory that generates these notifications. This is the factory that we are talking about. Here is the key part. Notification factory is an abstract class that declares the create notification method. Subclasses like email notification and SMS notification implement this method to create specific types of applications. Finally, let's see how to use these factories in our main program. As you can see here in the demo, we use specific factories to create and use notifications. This approach decouples the client code from the concrete classes, making it easier to add new notification types in the future. And that's it. With the factory method pattern, you can create objects in a way that's flexible, scalable, and maintainable. It's especially useful in applications where the exact types of objects aren't known until runtime. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java design pattern videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.